Yes, you can use homemade borax ant bait to control ants near a compost bin, but you should never place borax directly inside the compost pile. Borax works as a slow-acting stomach poison that foraging ants carry back to the colony, which can reduce colony size over time. For safe, effective use, mix borax with a sugary or protein bait depending on the ant species, then station that bait in small sealed containers with holes or on wax paper outside the compost bin and near ant trails. This keeps the poison away from composting material while letting foragers feed. Maintain dry bait placements because moisture degrades the bait and makes it less attractive, and rotate bait locations every 3 to 7 days to catch different foraging groups. Reduce attractants by keeping food scraps buried under finished compost or a layer of carbon material such as shredded paper or dry leaves, and avoid adding large quantities of meat, dairy, or oily foods that draw larger ant activity. Seal gaps where the compost lid meets the bin, use fine mesh vents, and elevate the bin on blocks to limit ant access and to make targeted baits more effective. If you prefer to avoid any borax near compost, try diatomaceous earth around the bin perimeter or sticky barriers on legs as non-chemical options. 3 common mistakes are putting borax directly into the compost, leaving baits exposed to rain or animals, and ignoring colony access points that let ants bypass baits. Placing borax inside compost risks contaminating the finished material and harming non-target organisms. Instead, keep baits outside the bin in contained stations. Baits left in the open get wet or eaten by pets or wildlife, so use sealed containers with small entry holes and check them regularly. Finally, if you do not block ant entry paths, they will continue to forage from alternate openings. Inspect the bin perimeter, seal seams, and maintain a 2 to 3 inch gap of bare soil or gravel around the base, so baited foragers must encounter your stations. Our site bighomeprojects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who can recommend and install compost systems and pest management solutions, and it helps contractors find projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where we share real homeowner experiences, baiting tips, and local solution suggestions so we can learn from one another.